Hello, this is Maria Ricelli from BNC Software. Welcome to the auto video series for TrueSight Capacity Optimization. These videos will focus on how to configure data collection through Gateway Manager. It's part number 2 of a series of 2 videos, so please make sure you watch part number 1 first. In the video number 1, we executed the one-time operations required to manage the agent-based data collection, which are adding a gateway server from the Gateway Manager entry into the administration section, and go through the auto-ETL wizard to specify the parameters to process data coming through the agent-based data collection. Next step is the definition of the manager runs. Before to do that, please make sure the configuration file for the general manager is properly configured. A default configuration file is usually shipped with the product and it's used by the general manager. But there could be cases where the configuration file is not available. So we will need to access the gateway operations node and then create new run and make sure a default configuration for your general manager is set up. You can check the different configuration. You can disable some settings and adjust and save it. At this point, we can start the definition of our manager run. A manager run can be defined starting from a simple text file, which contains the list of nodes or agents. The agents list can be then revisited and updated multiple times. Therefore, this is an action that you may be executing multiple times, and this is a prerequisite for starting the definition of the manager run. Once you have created the agent list to a text file, you will be guided to set up the manager runs through a wizard. You can choose a name for your manager run. You can then add your agent list file, pick up a location to store the agent list file on the Gateway Manager server, and hit the next button, and finish. This way you have defined your manager run. The agent list can be revisited and updated multiple times by using the download and upload buttons here. Agent lists can be multiple, so you may have multiple agent lists and update the manager run. Once you submit the agent list, the system will automate the data collection processing and the data transfer, and of course the ETL processing as well. Since the auto-ETL option is set, you can easily check the status of the data processing through ETLs by checking the ETL task that has been automatically created for each group of 5 manager runs. And this concludes this auto video about managing data collection based on agents. Thank you for your time and look forward to see you in the next auto video.